T.I. takes King and his son King Jr. on their first family vacation.
What's going on? Man, let me tell you about my little rendezvous last night, right? So, my honey took me to this place called Activate. I think I posted that last night. But I didn't get to post my videos yet that we did in the actual events or whatever. However, it was so fun. Like, I would say if you want to go on like an active date night with your man or woman, you should definitely take them there. It was like just the two of us. You can go with the groups. You can go by yourself. And, you can go with I wouldn't say go by yourself. I don't suggest nobody go anywhere by themselves for real. But I would say go with your man or woman, or go with like groups, friends. It was so fun. I can't wait to post it and let y'all see what was going on anyway. But anyway, are y'all in the A? Because the A is looking good, baby. It's time to get outside. Look at my grandbaby dress herself.
Why you can't play it? I can play it.
She's so serious too.
Join the bed sheet.
Mama been talking shit, but she thinks she fine. Come over here. And I did change my clothes because I don't know what.
I deleted it so you can wear your outfit.
You can play with
Oh,
it.
good.
Peace. Trying to be like me.
You play with it.
I'm looking at, so I was thinking that it was
Baby K on the jet.
Hey, boy. King. Hey.
Major.
What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? What are you doing?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Well, pull. Sticky.
Miami win? Huh?
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.